Hey guys, just doing a little Litecoin update here. I'm going to try and keep it somewhat short because it seems to be 5 minutes is the upload limit. But looking at Litecoin here on the 4 hour and the daily, we did have a breakout here on the USD pair. It's having a bit of an inside bar now, but structurally, I still think this looks bullish. Um, I'm assuming I'm on the lower time frames, or let's say look at the 4 hour here. We had a nice breakout, bit of an inside bar, but when we go into the 15-minute time frames, it is looking like this was an ABC structure here. So A, B, C, and I am hopeful that this is going to go up. Um, Obviously, we tightened stops. Where it was kind of a gray area because it was hit on some exchanges, not on others, but if this is an ABC, we're going to go higher. Now, the thing I want to point out, just so people have faith in why they're in this position, I'm actually thinking of raising the target. If this starts to bounce from here, I might actually raise the target and the TP, just because of the way that Litecoin Bitcoin has begun to play out. So the first thing I want to point out with Litecoin Bitcoin is there's a nice clear ending diagonal on the Litecoin Bitcoin pair, which has been forming on the weekly chart for quite a few years now. Just going to change this to a full line. So obviously we had a nice massive bear market for Litecoin Bitcoin. Bitcoin's just been absolutely outperforming in every possible way. ABC, we had a big long 3-year bear market. It started losing momentum on the way down here. It started contracting more. There's a nice little ending diagonal that started forming here, which was a sort of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it broke out recently over the last couple of months. It actually broke out of this structure. Now it's looking a bit dodgy here because we're right at support, but I'm just going to remove these lines here. If we look on the monthly time frame, we had a nice bullish engulfing there, broke out for a couple of months, but it's retesting this support now. So it's just wicked this support on the Litecoin Bitcoin pair. And all it's going to take is for this month in 29 days to close green, and that could be a major Litecoin buy signal. So if we zoom in on the daily time frame, very similar. Similar things we're seeing here. So we broke out of this ending diagonal. This entire period here from the top at the 24th of November looks like accumulation. Basically, this was a 5-wave move up, this was a 3-wave move down, 3-wave move up, and now 5-wave move down. So this, to me, is looking like a flat, where this is an ABC, or that where the B has gone above the C, where the B has gone above the A, and a flat structure, as I explained in a few other videos the other day, is 3, 3, 5. So we've got an A, B, C, 3, A, B, C, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A little bit hard to see on the daily, but if you zoom in on the 4 hour, we can see it quite clearly here, where that's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've got a nice big wick forming here on the daily. There's still 2 hours to close, but if Litecoin USD starts moving up here, we might see that close green, and over the next month or so, it's going to start becoming a bit more clear. But I think Litecoin Bitcoin is still very much bullish. I think Litecoin is still very much bullish. And I'm going to be considering maybe moving our target up higher today if we start to bounce here. Now, looking at Litecoin on the weekly time frame, very clear Adam and Eve pattern forming. I mean, obviously, we've been long in Litecoin all the way down since the 50s. We've been long in Litecoin for months, just playing the waves. But ultimately, I'm thinking if this is obviously the first move up. We had a nice slow decline, accumulation period. It's well and truly breaking up here. If this is an Adam and Eve pattern, or even if this is like a large ABC, we're still going to be expecting Litecoin USD to break above that A wave, which it hasn't even done yet. So typically, what I would be looking for is this is how I like to sort of calculate price. Obviously, I've put my target for this particular trade, but ultimately, I'd be looking for a test of that upper channel. So the way I like to draw a channel is you draw it from bottom of the bottom of the lows here to it's from the start of the A wave to the bottom of the B wave, and then you just drag it up to the top of the A wave, and then that's your price channel. So basically, on this next move up for Litecoin, I would be expecting around about 150, 160, potentially higher, you know, but that's just sort of like the minimum target. Obviously, that traps all the shorts who have stops above this major A wave here. Traps a lot of breakout longers who are thinking this is a breakout. So basically, even if this is an ABC, which I'm not entirely sure what it is yet, it could be the start of a wave 3, could be a 1-2, 1-2. But if this is even just an ABC, we're going to be expecting it to be sort of doing like something like this. But either way, I think we can still expect from a macro level, we can still expect a minimum 15%-ish sort of move higher. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm seeing. Also, okay, so basically, if Litecoin Bitcoin has if this is an ABC on Litecoin Bitcoin and it's already broken out, that means that it's highly likely that this isn't an ABC at all. This is just the absolute minimum sort of target I'd be looking at. But if this is an ABC and Litecoin Bitcoin actually bottoms here and starts to move higher, then Litecoin USD is probably going to be going. This will probably be an actual real breakout and likely a wave 5-wave move, something like this, and heading up to all-time highs. Still not sure yet. I'm trying to take it one resistance level at a time and actually play the waves, not get married to a bias. Wait for some structure. But structurally, even the USD pair is still bullish. It broke out, bit of an inside bar. It's not looking full-blown bearish just yet, but I will be moving my target up to about 155 very shortly, most likely today. So I think our target for Litecoin was like 144 on this move, but I was expecting it just to hit that 144 TP in one fell swoop, and then I was going to be expecting to long the pullback again, except the pullback's already happened now before it hit our target. So that means this next run up should have more juice to go higher again. So basically that's my reasonings, that's my chain of thought with Litecoin. So I'll do those updates now, and hope you get some value from this video. Cheers guys.